How to make Gamepass in Roblox. First of all you have to do is open the Roblox app on your device, then make sure that you are logged into your Roblox account. You can open Roblox either through the player app or the web browser as well. Now all you have to do is get access to Roblox Creator Hub by clicking the Create button on the Roblox homepage. Alternatively, go to More, then look for Create in the Roblox app. Now select your game under Experiences and click Manage Experience option available there. Now from the content settings, click on Monetization options, then hit Passes option available there. Now under the Passes settings, you will see two tabs, Creations and Analytics. Start by clicking the Create a Pass under the Creations tab. You can edit your game pass by giving it a name, image, and description. If you don't have an image yet, Roblox will provide a default one for you and hit Save Changes option available there. Once you are ready to monetize, click on it to open its basic settings. Open the Sales tab and enable item for sale. Now your game pass will be sold for Robux and in-game currency that players buy with real money. Keep in mind that you will earn 70% of the profit for each successful transaction. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.